Sports insurance in Australia. Lead an active life or play sport competitively, personal accident insurance is a worthy investment to consider. Full versus partial benefit. Accident cover will protect you from various types of injuries. However, the amount you receive will vary based on the type of injury. Situation where you will receive a 100% payout of your sum insured. The most serious type of injuries can pay out the full sum insured. This can include death, paraplegia or paralysis, total permanent disability, total permanent blindness, permanent loss of multiple limb, permanent and incurable insanity, situation where you will receive a 50 till 75% payout of your sum insured. Partial benefit of this percentage may be paid for injuries such as permanent total loss of hearing, total loss of a hand or single limb, loss of an eye, situation where you will receive less than 50% payout of your lump insured. This may be as benefits such as 1% per two loss or as much as 40% for losing four fingers on one hand. Other injuries covered in this range can be fractured or broken bone, loss of use of limb or joint, shortening of a leg, partial loss of hearing or partial blindness. In addition to this benefit, a policy may also provide specific cover for non-Medicare expenses. Note, these percentages are given as a general guide. For payout details in regard to your policy, make sure you consult the Product Disclosure Statement (PDS) of your policy. What are non-Medicare expenses? These are costs that cannot be claimed through Medicare. Medicare is specifically designed to cover only essential treatment and costs, but this might not be enough for you to make a full recovery. For example, a doctor might recommend knee surgery following an accident to prevent you from having a limb, but it might not be necessary. This could qualify as elective surgery and might not be covered by Medicare. Even if it is, there could be a long waiting list until you can get the treatment done in a public hospital. Some of the specific non-Medicare expense cover that athletes may benefit from can include private hospital treatment, physiotherapy, dental treatment, elective surgery, specialist and alternative treatment such as osteopathy, naturopathy, physical therapy, and more. Generally, you will need to have been referred to a specialist by a medical practitioner in order to claim those treatment costs, and any medical expenses claimed would usually need to have been at the recommendation of a registered practitioner. What should I look for when I select cover? When looking at sport personal accident insurance cover, it's worth comparing policies by both price and cover. Things to look out for include the level of coverage. This specifically refers to the amount you are insured for and how much the policy can pay out in the event of sporting accident. If your life insurance or income protection policy doesn't cover you while playing sport and you are using a sport personal accident policy to fill in, then your sum insured might need to be roughly equivalent to your Medicare gap cover need. Consider the limit of any current health insurance policy as well as the specific extras and hospital coverage it affords. What you are covered for. Naturally, you need to know what exactly you are covered for. Policies may vary, and it's essential to compare both the payout condition and any exclusion which may apply. Exclusion and restriction. This can indicate how suitable a policy is for you. For example, no professional sport cover may be a specific exclusion that greatly affects its suitability. The cost of the cover. Policies need to be within your budget. So you need to make sure you check and compare the price of any personal accident insurance plans you are considering. The cost of cover can vary based on a number of factors, including the insurance provider you choose, so it can be worth knowing about the factors affecting costs. How are prices determined? Your prices may include both premium and an excess. The excess, any applicable waiting period, and policy exclusion can all have a major impact on price. Other factors determining your specific premium can include what is not covered by sport accident insurance. Thank you.